A cafe serves sandwiches and cakes. Each customer will choose one of the following 3 options: buy only one sandwich, buy only one cake, or buy both of a sandwich and a cake. The probability that a customer buys a sandwich is 0.72. The probability that a customer buys a cake is 0.45. Find the probability that a customer chosen at random will buy both sandwich and a cake. Let's draw Venn diagram, sandwich and a cake. From the given information, we know probability of S union C equals 1. Sandwich, no cake. This part is a sandwich and a cake. No sandwich, cake only. Let's use this combined events to figure out probability of sandwich and cake. Probability of a sandwich and a cake equals probability of a sandwich plus probability of a cake minus probability of a sandwich union cake equal 0.72 plus 0.45 minus 1 equals 0.17. To be only a sandwich. From this Venn diagram, probability of S intersection C prime equals probability of sandwich minus probability of sandwich intersection cake equals 0.72 minus 0.17 equals 0.55. Let's go to 2C. Only a typical day 200 customers come to the cafe. Find the expected number of cakes sold on a typical day. The expected number of cakes equals 200 times the probability of cake is 0.45. That equals 90. Let's go to 2D. Find the probability that more than 100 cakes will be sold on a typical day. More than 100 cakes, we know number of cakes sold follows binomial distribution, with 200 as trials, 0.45 as the probability of success. We are looking for the probability of number of cakes sold greater than 100. We got to use binomial CDF, but for the binomial CDF, NPX means probability of X less than or equal to X. So we have to change this into 1 minus probability of number of cakes sold less than or equal to 100. Then we go to calculator. Let's go to binomial CDF. Trial 200. Probability 0.45. X value 100. Then use 1 minus. Answer is 0.0681. Let's go to 2E. it's known that 46% of the customers who came to the cafe are male, and that 80% of these buy a sandwich, which means the probability of sandwich given male equals 0.80, and a probability of male equals 0.46. Customer is selected at random. Find the probability that the customer is male and buys sandwich. We are looking for probability sandwich and male. We do know for probability of as given male equals probability of as intersection male over probability of male. Therefore, probability of as intersection male equals 0.80 times 0.46 equals 0.368. 2F. A female customer is selected at random. Find the probability that she buys a sandwich. We are looking for probability as given F. For probability of F equals 1 minus probability of male, that equals 1 minus 0.46 equals 0.54. First of all, let's write down the formula for this conditional probability. Probability of S intersection F over probability of F. As we know, probability of sandwich, that equals probability of sandwich intersection male plus probability of sandwich intersection female, which means probability of sandwich intersection female equals probability of sandwich minus the probability of sandwich intersection male over probability of female equals probability of sandwich 0.72 minus probability of sandwich intersection male is 0.368. Probability of female is 0.54. This equals 0.652.